Most dog owners believe human food is a strict taboo, but the truth is far more nuanced. Behind closed doors, many veterinarians supplement their own dogs' diets with specific human-grade ingredients to boost longevity and vitality. We are taught to fear the forbidden list. Grapes, onions, and chocolate are indeed lethal. But the fear-mongering has caused us to overlook incredible nutritional powerhouses sitting right in our kitchens. Today, we are breaking down the 8 human foods that veterinarians personally feed their dogs, backed by nutritional science and canine physiology. First on the list is the humble apple. These juicy fruits are packed with nutrients. In a 2010 study published in the Journal of Nutrition, researchers found that apples are rich in phytochemicals, specifically quercetin and catechins. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress. Think of oxidative stress as the rusting of cells. As your dog ages, their brain function naturally declines. The antioxidants in apples act as a protective shield for the canine nervous system. Crucial rule: you must remove the core and all seeds from the apple, as they contain cyanide, which is toxic to dogs. A few sliced pieces for a medium-sized dog provide a concentrated dose of vitamin C and fiber. Vets love them because they are low-calorie treats that do not lead to the weight gain common with commercial dog snacks. They are nature's treat, with zero of the negative health impacts of processed dog biscuits. Second, let's talk about pumpkin. Not the sugary pie filling, but plain canned pureed pumpkin. This is an essential staple in many veterinary clinics for a specific reason: digestive regulation. Pumpkin is incredibly high in soluble fiber. When a dog suffers from diarrhea, that fiber absorbs excess water, firming up the stool. Conversely, when a dog is constipated, the moisture content helps move things along, but the benefits go deeper. Pumpkin is packed with vitamin A, beta-carotene, and potassium. In 2017, clinical trials noted that the zinc found in pumpkin seeds also helps in maintaining healthy skin and a lustrous coat. Vets often suggest a tablespoon mixed into a meal to stabilize a sensitive stomach. It is cheap, effective, and works faster than most expensive probiotic supplements. Third, we have sardines. If there is one food that makes a veterinarian's eyes light up, it is these oily, small fish. Sardines are arguably the best source of omega-3 fatty acids available. Unlike salmon, which can sometimes carry heavy metals, sardines are at the bottom of the food chain. They have a short lifespan, which means they do not accumulate toxins like mercury. The EPA and DHA in sardines are essential for joint health, cognitive function, and cardiovascular support. Many vets recommend packing them in water rather than oil. A single sardine a few times a week can drastically reduce inflammation in arthritic dogs. If a vet sees a dog with a dry, itchy coat, the first thing they will often check is their omega-3 intake. Sardines are the gold standard for healthy fats. Fourth is Greek yogurt. Note the word plain. You must ensure it contains no xylitol, which is a common artificial sweetener that is highly toxic to dogs. Plain unsweetened Greek yogurt is a probiotic goldmine. It contains live cultures that support the canine microbiome. Your dog's immune system is largely centered in their gut. A balanced gut flora helps prevent the overgrowth of bad bacteria. Vets often suggest a small spoonful as a topper to stimulate a picky eater's appetite. It also provides a hefty dose of calcium and protein. However, moderation is key. Some dogs are lactose intolerant. Always start with a teaspoon to ensure it doesn't cause gas or digestive upset. Fifth, consider the power of green beans. This is a real find for owners who are conscious of their pet's weight. Canine obesity is the #1 preventable health issue in the United States today. According to the Association for Pet Obesity Prevention, over 50% of dogs in the US are overweight. Vets often use the green bean diet to help dogs lose weight without feeling hungry. Because green beans are voluminous but very low in calories, they add bulk to the meal. This creates a feeling of satiety, or fullness, without the caloric density of extra kibble. They are also packed with iron and vitamins B6 and K. Frozen green beans make excellent, crunchy treats that dogs love, effectively replacing high-calorie bacon bits or starch-heavy biscuits. Sixth, we look to eggs. Eggs are the gold standard for biological value. When nutritionists rank proteins, eggs consistently top the list. This is because they contain all the essential amino acids a dog needs to build muscle and repair tissue. Many vets advocate for lightly cooked eggs, either scrambled or boiled, as a protein boost for dogs that are recovering from illness or surgery. They are easy to digest and highly bioavailable. The key here is proper preparation. Avoid adding butter, salt, or spices. A plain egg provides the necessary choline for brain health and riboflavin for energy. If your dog has a dull coat or seems lethargic, the high-quality protein in eggs is often the fastest way to see an improvement in their overall condition. 7th, we must include carrots. These are the ultimate dental hygiene tool. While they aren't a replacement for professional veterinary cleaning, the texture of a raw carrot acts as a natural abrasive. When a dog chews on a carrot, it gently scrapes the surface of the teeth, helping to reduce plaque buildup. Carrots are also loaded with beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. This is crucial for eye health. We have all seen elderly dogs with cloudy eyes. While genetics play a major role, maintaining high levels of antioxidants like those found in carrots can help support ocular health. They are crunchy, satisfying, and provide a healthy outlet for a dog's natural desire to gnaw on things. 8th, and perhaps most surprisingly, is quinoa. Many owners are terrified of grains, but the anti-grain trend in the pet food industry has led to some unintended consequences. In recent years, the FDA, Food and Drug Administration, has investigated a potential link between grain-free diets, specifically those high in lentils, peas, and chickpeas and canine dilated cardiomyopathy. Quinoa, however, is a pseudo-cereal. It is a seed that acts like a grain but is loaded with protein and fiber. It is a fantastic alternative for dogs that need a complex carbohydrate source. It provides steady energy without the massive insulin spike associated with corn or wheat. Vets who know their nutritional science often use cooked quinoa as a foundation for home-cooked meals, ensuring the dog receives a balanced profile of minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. It is vital to understand that these foods should not replace a complete and balanced diet. They are supplements, not foundations. Your dog's primary nutrition must still be formulated to meet AAFCO standards. However, the modern standard of kibble-only feeding is a relatively recent invention in history. For thousands of years, dogs survived and thrived on a variety of scraps and fresh foods. The key is balance and awareness. Always introduce one new food at a time. Watch for allergies. Every dog is an individual. What works for a golden retriever may not be ideal for a French bulldog. If you are ever unsure, consult your specific veterinarian before changing your dog's menu. We tend to look at our dogs as entirely different from us, but biologically, we share a significant history. We have co-evolved for over 30,000 years. Our digestive systems are surprisingly capable of processing the same high-quality whole food ingredients that sustain us. The difference lies in our metabolism and our reactions to toxic substances. By eliminating foods that are dangerous to dogs, such as onions and grapes, and incorporating these 8 nutritional superfoods into their diet, you are not just feeding your dog, you are actively extending their healthy years. Think about the lifespan of our companions. 10 to 15 years goes by in the blink of an eye. Every meal is an opportunity to reduce inflammation, support cognitive health, or improve gut function. The best pet owners are the ones who don't just follow the label on a bag, but who take the time to understand the chemistry of what is being put into their dog's bowl. If you are willing to spend the extra minute to add apples, sardines, or green beans, you are investing in a future where your dog isn't just surviving, but thriving. What will you change about your dog's diet tomorrow? And more importantly, if you could offer your dog one extra year of health, would you start now? The science is clear, the ingredients are in your pantry, and the responsibility is yours. Start small, stay consistent, and monitor the results. The reward is a healthier, happier life for your best friend.